Hello everybody, this is Mr. Ellefson, and today I'm going to show you how to make a wooden safe. Now the very first thing that you need to think about, need to come up with, is what kind of design do you want? And really, the sky's the limit. You can decide to glue together as many boards as you like, to put in as many different kinds of wood, different colors, different designs. That is totally up to you, but you need to figure that out first so you're not floundering, gluing things together and making a mess and then not using any of it. So some of the ones that I have built before, this is what we're going to be building. This was the first one I built as kind of a prototype, as a group of shop teachers. It's all cherry, and when you open it up, you can see that we're going to be making an actual wooden lock that works correctly. If I turn the dial, you can see the locking mechanism going up and down. This one was just built out of one kind of wood. It's all cherry. The dial and the hinges are some other kind of wood, and of course, the white wood, the maple. And again, you can decide on any of that. Another one I built is made out of wormy maple. Same idea, but this time I built all the hinges and dials out of walnut, and everything else is wormy maple. Now, these are very simple. They're one kind of wood, one general color, embellished with one other kind of wood, and then a little veneer on the front. But that's up to you to decide. But the sizes are all the same. So let me set these down. And what you'll be working from is not only the video, but also a notebook that'll help you keep track of all the dimensions, the measurements, and things like that. Now in that notebook, if I get a little bit closer, you'll be able to see a whole bunch of pictures of a whole bunch of different safes. This was the day that all the shop teachers made all these safes, so I took pictures to get ideas. Not only are there some that are just bold colors, but some of them are very lined. They have a lot of different designs and ideas in there. So if I hold these up and show you that they're using all kinds of different wood. Now when we built these, we didn't have any choice on the color of our hinges and dial and handle. They're all the same. We just cut them out of a big board, and that's what we used. However, you guys have complete creative control over what kind of wood do you want for each part. And as you're going along, that will determine the color, the shape. You can stain it, you can lacquer it, of course, you can glaze it, whatever you want. That is entirely up to you. So let's go ahead and get out into the shop and start cutting our sides.